Hey guys, I'm Destiny. I'm back with what we call a Now 365 update, where we dive into the Microsoft Admin Center and we pull out all of the updates that Microsoft pushes out. We then filter through them and present the ones to you that we think are going to be the most beneficial to you and your organization. That way you don't have to. Our intention here is to simplify work processes and focus on the things that companies are using every day within the Microsoft apps. So today we're going to jump right in with the new Zoom controls while in screen share. So while in a Teams meeting, anyone in the meeting is allowed to screen share to make presenting a lot easier. While in this view, attendees have the option to zoom in or out of the shared screen to make viewing easier, as sometimes the screen can appear a little small. Previously, participants in the meeting would only be able to zoom using the pinch to zoom gesture on the trackpad. However, with the new update, participants can use the newly available buttons to zoom in, out, and restore the original size of the shared screen. This feature will allow for an easier transition in meetings when trying to zoom to view the shared screen. The experience currently has no impact on the tenant or the admin, except for the fact that they are trying to roll out designated buttons as opposed to the trackpad gesture. I hope you found this super helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.